Hello students, how are you? Today we are doing moral science, chapter 1. Okay, this is your book of class 6. Okay, moral science, you are doing it. Our first chapter is the God, the great savior. The God, the great savior. Already I have discussed some para from here to here in the previous video, and I will discuss next para in this video. Okay, in this lesson, in the last video I have discussed, okay, the God, the great savior. Savior means God protects us. Okay, God helps us whenever we whenever we face lots of problem. Okay, God is, we love God. Okay, you know very well the story of Prahlad. Okay, Prahlad was a great devotee of God. Okay, and his father was Hiranyakashyap. Hiranyakashyap was his father. He was demons who wanted to kill the Prahlad because Prahlad was a great devotee of God. That's why he wanted to kill the Prahlad. Okay, he threw from the mountain first time, and second he gave poison to his child, and third he wanted to kill many ways to his son, but he did not get success because Prahlad was on the right track and his father was on the wrong track. Okay, his father was going on the wrong track and his son was on the right track. This is the story of Prahlad and Hiranyakashyap. We are learning it. So please see the video of Prahlad and Hiranyakashyap, and this is most interesting story of Prahlad and Hiranyakashyap. Please see it. Hello students, today we are learning amazing lesson for life. This is class 6 moral science. Okay, Sophie learners. Okay, now in this is second page. This is preface. Okay, and this is these are contents. Okay, these are contents. The today we are learning chapter 1, the God Savior. Okay, and next class I will discuss these chapters. Okay, second, third, etc. Okay, after completing chapter 1, today I am going to discuss the God, the great savior. In last day already I have discussed the God, the great savior. We know very well savior means what? Savior means protects us. Okay, God is everything. God helps us. Okay, already I have discussed in the last video from here to here. Today I will discuss from here to here in this video. Please see it. Okay, we know very well Prahlad was a devotee of God, and he was a great man. Okay, do you know the story of devotee Prahlad? Yes, obviously we know the story of Prahlad. He was an ardent admirer. Do you know ardent? In last video I discussed the meaning of ardent. No, ardent means what? Bhagwan ke aradhya. Means devotee of God. He was an ardent admirer of God. Okay, he was the son of Hiranyakashyap, the king of demons. The king of demons. Demons means what? Giant. Okay, his father was demons, but his son was devotee of Vishnu. Okay, Hiranyakashyap hated his son for bowing in front of Lord Vishnu and praying to him. He hated, Hiranyakashipu hated because he was a great devotee of God Vishnu. Prahlad was a devotee of God. That's why his father Hiranyakashipu hated him too much. He tried to dissuade him. Do you know dissuade means what? Dissuade means interdict, stopped. Okay, interdict is stop. He tried to dissuade him. He wanted to stop Prahlad. Okay. Hiranyakashipu decided to kill Prahlad. Okay. Hiranyakashipu was Prahlad was a great devotee of God. Okay. That's why he hated him. And he wanted to kill the Prahlad. Who killed the Prahlad? Who wanted to kill the Prahlad? Hiranyakashipu decided to kill the Prahlad. Okay. Clear? Hiranyakashipu threw Prahlad from top of a mountain, but he rolled down the mountain safely and escaped unhurt. Okay. Hiranyakashipu threw Prahlad. He threw Prahlad from the top of the hill. But who was savior? The great savior? The God. The great savior is God. That's why he was saved by the God. Who was saved by God? Prahlad was saved by the God. Okay? Because the God, the great savior. Clear? Then Hiranyakashipu threw Prahlad from top of a mountain, but he rolled down the mountain safely and escaped unhurt. Escape means what? Evade. Elude. E-L-U-D. Okay? E-L-U-D. Elude. Okay? Unhurt. Unhurt means what? Undeniable. Undeniable. The Hiranyakashipu threw Prahlad from top of a mountain, but he rolled down. The demon's king then sent a mad elephant. There was a mad elephant. It was sent by Hiranyakashipu for Prahlad, but it lifted Prahlad gently and put him on his back. Okay? Elephant did not do anything to Prahlad. Elephant did not kill Prahlad because Prahlad was a great devotee of God. He turned back. Prahlad was thrown into ocean, but the waves brought him safely to the shore. Okay, waves did not do anything to Prahlad because he was a great devotee of God. He was even given poison sweets, but there was no effect on him. Why there was no effect on him? Because Prahlad was a devotee of God. That's why there was no effect on him. Poisonous snakes were also sent to him, but these could not affect him. Why could not affect him? Because Prahlad was a devotee of God. In this class, we knew the topic of Prahlad and Hiranyakashipu from here to here. Next video I will discuss here to here. Thanks for watching this video.